Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Taurus from 21st to 30th June 2020. And I'm doing a mind, body, soul and spirit reading for you guys, and I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. I have taken out 4 cards representing your mind, body, soul and spirit, and I will just start giving you the readings, and we will clarify each of these cards with a different deck. Okay, so let's start looking at your mind. So the energy from your mind is telling me that you are waiting someone or the person you are dealing with. You are waiting for that person to come back to you, and with a change to behavior and a mindset. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that your mind is craving for that person in your life. Okay, so you want this person from your past. Maybe you two separated from each other for some reasons and decided to end the relationship, or it just ended after a fight or arguments. Okay, and you two may not be communicating with each other, but you are missing this person and you want this person to come back to you and to reach out to you. You are waiting for this person and you want him or her to come back with apologies, with understanding, and with intention of working it out. Okay, so this is what you are feeling currently in your head. Let's move on to your body. So what I'm feeling here is that you guys are at the peak of your health right now. Most of you are feeling good. Okay, and you're feeling like an emperor. You are feeling like you can achieve anything. Okay, if you apply or work for it, if you apply your brain and work towards it, put into your hard work, then you are thinking that there's nothing you can't achieve. Okay, so, and this is because you are feeling at the peak of your health right now. Okay, so your body is supporting you in your perseverance or whatever you want to pursue. Your health is supporting you right now. Okay, so I think this is what it means. And moving on to your soul energy, and energy from your heart is telling me that you are thinking about this person a lot, and you are thinking about the past memories. You are having weird dreams about this person, and you are imagining a perfect future, like he has come in a changed manner. You are imagining all those things. If he comes and proposes you, or if he or she brings a marriage proposal to you, or provides you with a higher commitment, how it will be. So you're imagining all those stuffs in your heart, and your soul is missing your person. Okay, so this is telling me that your mind and soul, or your heart, both are in harmony, and both are craving for this person with whom you are separated for now. Okay, so this is what is telling me, that your head wants that person to come back, and your soul and heart is thinking about this person a lot. Okay, so both are interconnected with each other. So let's move on to your spirit energy. Your spirit energy is telling you, Taurus, that it's okay to miss someone. Okay, the one you have dealt with and have shared memories, it's okay to miss them and to want them back, but the spirit is telling you to focus on yourself for now. Okay, grow yourself. You need to heal yourself. Okay, you need to work on yourself, on your skills, on every every level of you, emotional, physical, spiritual. You need to improve yourself, okay? Self-care, self-love, self-respect. So this is what is your spirit is telling you to focus on, okay? If that person comes back, it is good, but don't waste your time on thinking about this person entire day or night, okay? Because that will affect your growth negatively. So the card is telling you is to just do whatever you are doing, your work, focus on your work, learn new skills, okay? Learn to improve yourself, engorge yourself in many new hobbies, okay? With which you can improve your personality, and your mind, your heart, and your body can improve, okay? So you need to give some self-care and self-love, okay? That is what spirit wants you to do for now. Don't just sit and wait for this person to come back and to make your life better or good or worse, whatever, okay? You need to just keep on moving in the direction you are moving in order to improve yourself. So we will just clarify each of these cards with the different deck, and to get some more information and to get some more clarity over this, okay? So let's see. So let's see. So these two cards are telling me that your mind is thinking about that person to come back, and on the other hand, your mind is also telling you, okay, to focus on your work. You want to focus on your work because you can't just sit and wait for that person to come back. In your mind, you want that person to come back, but on the same side, you know that you have to continue working because this is the only way to get some inner peace in this chaos. So this is telling me that you should focus on your work in order to get some peace in your life, Taurus. So again, the same cards which I am getting, King of Spades and again King of Spades, that is Emperor. So again, this is telling me that this is you are magician, and you are at the peak of your health, and you are in fact healing others, okay, with your positivity right now. So if you use this power of magician, okay, to heal yourself and others, then nothing is better than this, Taurus, okay? So use this, harness this energy of you to heal yourself and others which are concerned with you. And so let's move on to your heart energy. This is telling me that you were thinking about this person a lot, and the clarity over it, this is that you want this happy and secure family with this person, okay? You want this person to choose you over anything else because you are the security, you are the family, okay? You are happiness, joy, satisfaction. So you want this person you are thinking and you are imagining that this person will choose you over anything else, and you will have a happy ever after or happy family with this person. Okay, this is what you are thinking, having desires, dreams, imagining things with this person, and this is your secret desire for this person to have a family with. Okay, let's move on to your spirit energy, which is telling me, okay, star. So your spirit told you that your spirit wants you to show some self-love and care, and the next card with this is the card of star, which is telling me that you should never lose hope over something. Be optimistic, okay, remain optimistic, but also heal yourself, okay, and others. So don't lose hope, but keep on healing, okay, because this is the only way to progress. When you will heal, you will understand yourself and others in a more better way. Okay, so this is all for you, Taurus, for this month, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. If this resonates with you, just like, share, subscribe to my channel for further videos, and thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care.